Here's the problem with AI agents: every session starts from scratch. No memory of yesterday. No shared context with other agents. Agent Brain fixes that. Persistent, shared, searchable memory for every agent in your stack. When an agent connects to Brain through the MCP protocol, every memory operation, every fetch, every write, every recall gets logged and persisted automatically. You don't change how you write your agents. You just point them at Brain's MCP endpoint and the memory layer appears. Works with Claude Code out of the box, works with all MCP compatible agents, and exposes a clean web API if you want to integrate something custom. The dashboard shows you every connected agent in real time, what they're reading and writing, and how much they're relying on shared context versus generating from scratch. Knowledge Explorer is where the real value becomes obvious. Everything your agents have ever stored, documentation, decisions, patterns, project context, error resolutions, is fully searchable by meaning, not keyword matching. You type a concept and Brain finds everything semantically related, even if none of the words match exactly. That means an agent asking about authentication can find entries stored under log in flow, session management, or token refresh, without you having to tag anything manually. Search returns in under 100 milliseconds, even with thousands of entries. Memory accumulates fast, and it doesn't stay accurate forever. Agents contradict each other. Facts go stale. Gaps appear as your project evolves. If you don't catch those problems, agents start pulling incorrect context and making decisions based on outdated information. Brain's memory audit scans your entire knowledge base and surfaces every contradiction, stale entry, and coverage gap automatically. It runs in under 30 seconds, gives you a severity ranked findings table, and lets you resolve or dismiss each issue with one click. Brain slots into your existing workflow at the infrastructure level. There's nothing to redesign. If you're already using Claude Code, you add one line to your MCP config and Brain starts capturing context from every session automatically. If you're building custom agents, you call the MCP endpoint directly. Store a memory, retrieve memories, run a semantic search, trigger an audit. The API surface is intentionally small and composable so it fits into whatever you're already building. Brain also integrates with Agent Whisper for voice memory routing and with Agent Harness for task level context injection. The whole stack is designed to work together. Connecting Brain to your agents takes minutes. Through the MCP protocol, any agent or IDE that supports tool use can start reading and writing memory immediately. There is no custom SDK, no special deployment, just a standard endpoint your agents discover and use. Once connected, every session, every decision, every learned preference is automatically persisted and ready for the next run. The maintenance page keeps your memory layer healthy. You can see total memory count, clear stale cache, and run a full health check with one click. Brain handles the housekeeping so your agents always have fast, clean storage. Agent Brain is available now at agentbrain.agentsoftware.dev. There's a free tier that covers solo developers and small teams, and a pro tier with audit scheduling, multi-project isolation, and priority support. If your agents are currently starting every session cold, Brain is the fastest way to change that. Go to agentbrain.agentsoftware.dev and get started today.